Hey there, future storytelling mavens and brand enthusiasts. Welcome back to Frame 316 Media, the place where we unravel the art of visual storytelling. I'm Robert, and today we're embarking on an exciting journey for all you new business owners out there. We're diving deep into the world of crafting your very first promotional video. If you're ready to make your new business stand out with an incredible promotional video, hit that subscribe button for Frame 316 Media. And while you're at it, explore my other videos. They're packed with tips, tricks, and creative ideas to help your brand. Starting a new business is like the beginning of a grand adventure, and what better way to announce your presence to the world than with a mesmerizing promotional video. These videos are like your digital storefront. They instantly convey your brand's essence, products, and services. Today, I'm your guide as we navigate this beginner's guide to creating a compelling promotional video for your new business. All right, let's start with the foundation. What's the story you want to tell? You need to define your message. It could be about your unique offering, your brand's values, or the problem that you're solving. You have to set clear goals for your promotional video, whether it's to increase awareness, to drive sales, or merely to introduce your team to the world. Now let's get to know your audience. Who are they? What do they care about? Because why did I ask this question? Because you need to tailor your message to resonate with their interests and needs. The better you understand your audience, the more impactful your promotional video will be. Storytelling is the heart of every promotional video. Take your audience on a journey. Introduce the problem, show how your new business provides the solution, and create an emotional connection. People remember stories, and your story can set you apart. Time to shine a spotlight on your projects or services. Use visuals creatively. Showcase the features, benefits, and how they make your customers' lives better. High-quality visuals and engaging animations can work wonders in videos like this. And every great promotional video ends with a strong call to action. You have to guide your viewers on what to do next, whether it's visiting your website, signing up for a newsletter, or making a purchase. This step is crucial to turning viewers into customers. So congratulations! You just learned the essentials of creating your first business promo video that shines a spotlight on your new venture. If you found this beginner's guide helpful, make sure to subscribe to Frame 316 Media right now. And don't forget to check out my other videos for more insights on unleashing the power of visual storytelling for your brand. Until next time, keep crafting those captivating stories, and I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you for watching today's video, and if you find any value in the video that you have seen, please make sure to subscribe and share this video to your colleagues and your friends who would benefit in the area of storytelling, because everything starts from where you are right now. It only takes creating one better story at a time. See you in the next videos.